Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAPL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough way to start off the new year here for Apple, and definitely want to get some levels here mapped out and updated from the technical perspective. So the first thing to do is actually just get rid of these lines here. Sure, those levels still pertain. They're just not necessarily relevant right now. And from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the first thing I'm going to do is just update this trend line here, which will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos. But it's a level that I've talked about several times as that area of resistance. And the reason right now it stands out is I get it that as of right now, there's a nice little bounce underway. Nobody can deny that. But I'd be very skeptical, and I am very skeptical of the bounce until the price can prove itself, which brings about the next question. Okay, well, how can the price, quote unquote, prove itself? And that's where we go, and maybe you'll see where I'm headed with this. That's where we go to that red line right there, the overall trend line, because there have been plenty of bounces along the way. There is a bounce, rolled back over. There's a little bounce, rolled back over. Even right there, a bounce, rolled back over. So it's bouncing right here. And to be fair, maybe this is the start of something bigger. Maybe this is the start of a bullish movement. But past history suggests that it's also rational to think in a way of maybe this is a movement where it just goes back upwards and then rolls back down. So that's where that trend line is going to help out, because this is really doing a good job of measuring, the selling pressure that is very clearly still involved in the stock. But again, you got to give credit where credit's due. Nice little bounce here, but we'll see if that can produce any sort of upwards movement that's, strong enough to get through that trend line there. As far as the next levels of support are concerned moving forward, key level to watch closely going to be just simply where the price, stopped going down today at 126.85. And then, actually, I'm just going to leave it at that because, like I said, the price made a nice bounce. Not just a question of can the price actually break up through that trend line. So that'll be the main dynamic to watch moving forward. So, yeah, let's see if this bounce is actually a true bounce that can, lead to some more strength and power. So keep an eye on that trend line. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.